The BYD Yangwang U8 stands as an impressive addition to the world of high-end electric SUVs, proudly introduced by China's leading electric vehicle manufacturer. This cutting-edge vehicle boasts remarkable power and speed capabilities that redefine the standards of electric performance. With a formidable engine power of 1100 HP, 808 kilowatts, and a substantial torque of 1680 Nm, the Yangwang U8 accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.6 seconds, showcasing its thrilling performance credentials. Furthermore, this SUV features a quad-motor driving system and an all-wheel drive (AWD) configuration, ensuring exceptional traction and handling on various terrains. Its powertrain relies on a permanent magnet synchronous motor, underscoring its efficiency and reliability. When it comes to the battery and charging capabilities, the BYD Yangwang U8 offers a glimpse into the future of electric mobility. While specific details about the battery capacity in kilowatt-hours and range in kilometers are not provided, the vehicle is equipped to support both DC and AC charging. However, it's noteworthy that the charge rates are listed as 0 kilowatts, which is unusual and could indicate that more detailed specifications are yet to be disclosed. This electric SUV's charging times and energy consumption figures are not available at this time, leaving room for anticipation regarding its real-world efficiency. In terms of dimensions, the BYD Yangwang U8 is a substantial vehicle with a length of 5319 mm, a width of 2050 mm, and a height of 1930 mm. While it boasts impressive power and advanced electric technology, its dimensions also indicate a spacious and comfortable interior, providing ample room for passengers and cargo. With its combination of performance, electric capability, and size, the BYD Yangwang U8 stands as a significant contender in the high-end electric SUV market, symbolizing the innovative strides being made in the world of sustainable transportation.